We're just about to put the left head on the engine. I pre-positioned it up there, and I just noticed that I have it facing the other way. I wanted the header to point towards the back, but that's all right. I'll just lift it and turn it around. There's my ARP bolts and lubricant there, ARP Ultra Torque lubricant. I've got the top of the block deck is all sanded off down to 400, so an RA of 023 as prescribed by Cometic gaskets. And all I gotta do is I've already brake cleanered off the bottom of the head, and I just want to brake cleaner off the top of the block here, make sure everything is just as clean as possible, and then we shall be ready to put the left head on the engine. And according to theory, the exhaust pipe should mate with that one fairly well. You can't see what this one here is doing, but maybe you can see it in the video. Turn the light on. Yeah, it's down there somewhere. Yeah, I think the two come together pretty close right here. Alright, let me get going here. So one thing to remember, pull out the dipstick tube. It just pulls right out, and then you put it back in inside of the header towards the block, and then on the head is one bolt hole to mount it to the engine. But all the cylinders are cleaned out, no debris in there, and we are ready to go. So let me get going on this. Let me get the solvent and clean it off. Shut this light off. Position camera as such. How stable that is, I do not know. Bring the light around here. Maybe we can get a little better lighting back here. Yeah. Alright, I'll just leave the light here and hope for the best. Okay. I should have just done that with my right hand. Let me get a glove. Left hand doesn't have as good of an angle as I thought it did. Okay, so putting on these Cometic head gaskets, more expensive, $163 each, but they are supposed to be a much improved head gasket. We shall see. Come on, push. But they do have double O-rings between the cylinders, and the Felpros only have a single, so potentially that is a better seal. They're also a thinner gasket, so we shall see what happens. Hopefully I will not have to do another head gasket replacement for the life of this truck. I'm just getting too old for it. I've done it too many times, bored with it. But I just seem to have a knack for messing up head gaskets and intake manifold gaskets. I don't know if it's something that I've got a knack for, or if it's a weakness in the design Ford has. Personally, I'm going with the weakness in the Ford design, because if you look on internet, YouTube, there are hundreds of videos of people having to fix their intake manifolds and head gaskets, and just failure after failure after failure. So hopefully this will let me beat the trend. Alright, I think I got it. Let me blow off all the fuzz. Okay. That should take care of the fuzz. Okay, looking good. Maybe I'll give it just a wipe with a clean, dry cloth. Okay, one more wipe with the brake cleaner. Okay, it's looking cleaner. Just feeling for oil or any little imperfections. Okay, I'm liking it. Okay, we are good. Grab Mr. Kinetic gasket. Wait, first. I need my retainers. They're in here. There we go. There's the front one. Oh, the other one's here. It's just playing hide and seek. There we go. I am just about to drop a critical part of the rear dowel pin. Let the swearing begin. The dowel pin bounced to the left and just vanished. And if I cannot find it tomorrow, I've already searched a couple hours today. If I can't find it tomorrow, then it may take up to a week to get another part because nobody, Napa, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, none of them sell a dowel pin. Amazing.